Well, here it is. These are all of the pieces for the Infinity pistol. Pretty much done. As you can see, there are a lot of pieces. So I kind of just turned the camera off and worked on my own for a few days because it would have been a whole lot of just repetition. I figured I didn't need all of that on film. I got some of the important parts. Well, you will have seen those already by now. So now that everything is constructed, I need to start sealing and priming before painting. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a lot of these, well, all of these wood pieces are going to get a few coats of filler primer, and that's going to cover up the wood texture very nicely after a little bit of sanding. The foam pieces are going to get heat sealed with a heat gun and then sprayed with a few coats of Plasti Dip. Right now I'm trying to think, what can I assemble right now to make this part easier, and I think not a whole lot, because some of these parts are drastically different colors that it would be easier to paint them before assembly, and others have to stay off because they'll hinder the assembly after everything is painted. So let's get these parts primed. The back side of the grip here looks like it has a couple of fastener holes in the back, so I'm just going to add those using the tip of a sanding drum on a Dremel tool, and using my source materials as a guide, hopefully put them in the right place. That's not working so well. It helps if you seat the sanding drum itself a bit proud of the rest of the tool. barrels have these little infinity symbols on them, so I'm going to use frisket film to mask those off. Frisket film is basically masking tape, but it comes in sheets and it's transparent, so I can lay the film over my pattern and then I can either draw over it with a Sharpie or just cut it out as it is. I'm going to Sharpie it here. This is pretty simple, it won't take long. Now that can be peeled and stuck to my model.